Today, I'm going to show you how to set up webhooks on Shopify to automate your store's workflow. Webhooks are incredibly useful because they allow your store to send real-time data to other apps or systems whenever specific events occur, like when a customer completes a purchase or when inventory changes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This is where all of your store's configuration options are located, and it's the starting point for setting up your webhooks. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to the Settings Overview page. On the left side of this page, you'll see another menu with various settings categories. Click on Notifications. This section controls how your store communicates with you and other systems, which is exactly what we need for webhook setup. Within the notifications area, look for and click on webhooks. This will take you to the webhooks management page, where you can view existing webhooks or create new ones to connect your store with external services. Now it's time to create your first webhook. Click the Create Webhook button. This will open up a form where you'll configure exactly what event should trigger your webhook and where the data should be sent. In the form that appears, you'll need to input an event. This determines what action in your store will trigger the webhook. For example, you might choose checkout creation, which fires whenever a customer completes a checkout. There are many event options available depending on what you want to automate. Next, choose a format for the data that will be sent. You'll see two options here, JSON or XML. Most modern applications use JSON as it's more lightweight and easier to work with, but choose XML if your receiving system requires it. Now input the URL where you want the webhook data to be sent. This should be the endpoint provided by whatever service or application you're connecting to your Shopify store. Make sure this URL is correct, as any typos here will prevent your webhook from working properly. Finally, look for the Webhook API version dropdown. Here you can choose a specific year, which corresponds to Shopify's API version, or you can select Unstable if you want to use the latest features. If you're not sure which to choose, selecting a recent stable year is usually the safest option. Once you've configured everything, click Save, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a webhook on Shopify that will now automatically send data to your chosen URL whenever your specified event occurs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.